Magkakaroon ba ako ng apoy?
Ay, sorry, joke. Oo, yung parang basta mas-surprise ka na.
Surprise!
Surprise nga. Why class A nga pala?
Oh, Class A. Actually, it's...
Hindi kami makakapasok.
Ay, hindi. Class A. Actually, it's, si Kuya Carlo Orosa was one of the, people who helped me conceptualize the whole show and who gave the name Class A. Class A could mean Class A because it's my name, and the character in Rack of Ages is also Eileen. Class A could also mean Class Act. Class Act ba? Mukha naman. And then, it could also stand for an actor. Diba? So, marami siyang ibig sabihin. Yeah.
Hindi ba siya so subconsciously rebranding you as someone or as singer na hindi talaga it's just me, hindi talaga pangmasa? Because now, even the mood of your song is jazzy, so medyo social. So is it some part ba yun ng reason na it's rebranding?
I don't wanna say na hindi pangmasa. Kasi syempre, ang goal mo naman is for your music to reach
Everyone.
all walks of life, hindi ba? Paano ko ba sabihin yun? The sound could sound classy, but the lyrics of the song, the message, yung Tagalog na maririnig mo doon, alam ng lahat yun eh. Alam ng lahat yun. So, I don't wanna say I'm just for, Class A or gano'n. Kasi syempre, gusto mo, sama-sama tayo lahat.
Mas madami, mas masaya.
Yes!
Promote mo.
Oh, sige. Ano
Ito
po?
na.
Yung album.
Yan. Okay.
Oo, na may tono, Hazel. Hindi, joke.
Imbitahan ko kayo! Ganon. Na manood. Una sa lahat, I'm out with my newest single. It's entitled Kapangyarihan ng Pag-ibig, distributed by Ivory Records. It's available online. It's on iTunes, Spotify, and sa lahat po na inyong favorite music downloading sites worldwide. It's a song composed by Mr. Junji Marcelo, so sana po makuha kayo ng copy. Download now, ayan. And also, iniimbitahan ko po kayo lahat sa aking first solo concert sa PETA Theater po yan mangyayari February 25, that's a Wednesday, alas 8 po ng gabi, sana walang traffic. Sana makarating po kayo lahat. My special guests will be Ms. Regine Velasquez Alcacid, Ms. Kyla, Gian Magdangal, and Ms. Celeste Ligaspi. Ayan. Yung tickets po, you may call 891-9999, that's Ticket World. Also, you may call Beta Theater and Stages. Yung guests ko po, meron pa po ako ibang surprise pa dyan. So, abangan nyo, isang masayang, it's also a birthday celebration. Kaya makita-kita po tayo. Class A concert, Feb 25, Beta Theater. Thank you po.
Yay!